What's your financial goal?
You want more money? Turn what you know into dough. Start hanging out with the people who have it. You create wealth on your own terms. It is not only your rights, but your duty to build wealth.
You are fiscally fabulous.
It's time to enjoy your legacy.
You're listening to Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire, a podcast that aims to provide you with the tools, guidance, and encouragement you need to build your wealth, enjoy your wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. Dr. Martin is an accomplished attorney, speaker, business consultant, and real estate strategist, an all-around self-made success who provides highly sought-after expert consulting in the creation, growth, and maintenance of generational wealth.
Hello, Fabulous. This is Dr. Teresa Martin of Generational Wealth Zone, and welcome to Fiscally Fabulous. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Release the Inner Entrepreneur in You series. Today, I want to talk to you about marketing like an entrepreneur. Let's start with the importance of packaging. When choosing between two different brands, what are your criteria for choosing? Usually, you would likely pick the one with the better packaging, right? Well, how does this apply to online business? In an online setting, the packaging will be the appearance of your website. When selling products online, it applies to the graphics, text descriptions, and overall page presentation of your products. Therefore, it's important that you invest a lot of quality into the appearance of your website, the photos of your products, the text descriptions that comes with your products, and the overall presentation of your products on your website. Next, it may be a good idea to promote your website through submission sites. As discussed in a previous episode, these include article, video, and image submission sites, among others. By submitting articles, videos, and images that tell about your website and your products or services, you're effectively promoting your business. It makes you more visible. Hire someone to do this for you if this is not something within your wheelhouse. Next, think about acquiring meaningful customer feedback. If you get good feedback from some of your customers, make sure that you post their feedback on your website. This is evidence or social proof that your products or services are good. You want to make your website appealing. If your website is appealing, people will likely visit again. There are many ways to make your website more appealing, but most common is to make sure that your website layout and your graphic design is conducive to the overall customer experience. You can also add some extras that your specific target niche will love. For example, if your target customers are women in real estate, you should probably use graphic designs that will appeal mostly to this group. Also, I think it's worth mentioning that you should always maintain quality even in the seemingly unrelated things. Everything on your website should be good quality. It doesn't have to be extravagant, but it just needs to be error-free. For example, you must avoid mishaps in graphic editing and grammatical errors in your product descriptions because customers will relate any error to the quality of your products or services. For example, if a customer sees a lot of grammatical errors on your website, for example, that customer will think that you do not value quality. They will also think that your products or services also lack quality. So be very careful. Also, you may want to think about offering promotionals or promos once in a while. Promos are different than discounts. The most common is the buy one, take one promo. Just like discounts, promos are also designed to attract new customers and keep your current customers happy. Now, of course, you have to make sure that your promo offers are known to your target customers. So advertise in advance that you will be offering a promo offer. You also want to obtain email addresses of your current customers whenever possible. When a customer buys from you, always give them a chance to provide you with their email address. This can be included in the purchase process. Just make sure that you don't make it required because some customers don't want to share this information. This way, you can inform them by email when you have a promo offer or a discount sale. But it's also important to note that you don't make this burdensome for your customers. It's a double-edged sword. You want to avoid flooding your customers with email. If you do, they might just begin to dislike you and unsubscribe to your mailing list. Another marketing strategy is to offer freebies that cost you little to nothing. Your customers will love freebies, and by offering freebies, you will also attract new customers as well. But there's one downside to this. It's costly to just give things away for free. So what do? One clever solution is to offer freebies that will cost you little or nothing. Some examples include ebooks and other electronic goods that can be redistributed endlessly. And if you have old merchandise that are not getting sold, you can dispose of them by offering them as freebies. Lastly, you want to prioritize on customer satisfaction. I cannot overstate this enough. Customers return because they liked something about your service. And this is not just about the quality of the products they bought from you. This is about the service you provided in general. For instance, how easy it was to transact with you, how fast you had the products delivered, how easy it was to use your website, how informative your product descriptions were. So pay close attention to your customer experience. It's going to carry you far in your business. Has today's episode helped reframe things for you? What are you going to do differently or try out? Join me on the next episode where we will discuss how to manage sales like an entrepreneur. So until next time, remember, you are fiscally fabulous and you are worth it.
This has been Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire. If you would like to learn more on how you can build generational wealth and leave a lasting legacy, go to www.enjoyyourlegacy.com and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for listening. Until next time.